everyone, welcome to another video by SmartPath Tutoring, GCSE Biology. Today's video is about exercise. When you exercise, you respire more. Muscles need energy from respiration to contract. When you exercise, some of your muscles contract more frequently than normal, so you need more energy. This energy comes from increased respiration. The increase in respiration in your cells means you need to get more oxygen into them. Your breathing rate and breathe volume increase to get more oxygen into the blood, and your heart rate increases to get this oxygenated blood around the body faster. This removes CO2 more quickly at the same time. When you do really vigorous exercise like sprinting, your body can't supply oxygen to your muscles quickly enough. So they start respiring anaerobically. See the previous page. This is not the best way to transfer energy from glucose. This is because lactic acid builds up in the muscles, which gets painful. Long periods of exercise also cause muscle fatigue. The muscles get tired and then stop contracting efficiently. Remember, lactic acid is formed from the incomplete oxidation of glucose. Anaerobic respiration leads to an oxygen debt. After resorting to anaerobic respiration, when you stop exercising, you will have an oxygen debt. An oxygen debt is the amount of extra oxygen your body needs to react with the buildup of lactic acid and remove it from the cells. Oxygen reacts with the lactic acid to form harmless CO2 and water. In other words, you have to repay the oxygen that you didn't get to your muscles in time because your lungs, heart, and blood could not keep up with the demand earlier on. This means you have to keep breathing hard for a while after you stop to get more oxygen into your blood, which is transported to the muscle cells. The pulse and breathing rate stay high while there are high levels of lactic acid and CO2. Your body also has another way of coping with a high level of lactic acid. The blood that enters your muscles transforms the lactic acid to the liver. In the liver, the lactic acid is converted back to glucose. You can investigate the effect of exercise on the body. You can measure breathing rate by counting breaths and heart rate by taking the pulse. For example, you could take your pulse sitting down for 5 minutes, then after 5 minutes of gentle walking, then again after 5 minutes of slow jogging, then again after 5 minutes of running. Record your results in a bar chart. Your pulse rate will increase the more intense the exercise is, as your body needs to get more oxygen to the muscles and take more carbon dioxide away from the muscles. To reduce the effect of any random errors on your results, do it as a group and plot the average pulse rate for each exercise. Thank you for listening.